Hello everyone! I hope you're all doing great and staying healthy. Today, I'm going to show you how to make delicious spicy fried mutton chops at home. This recipe is simple, full of flavor, and perfect for mutton lovers. So, let's get started. First, take a bowl and add 1 cup of yogurt. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt according to your taste. These simple ingredients will create a flavorful marinade for our mutton chops. Now, mix everything really well until the spices are fully combined with the yogurt. We want a smooth and creamy mixture so every piece of mutton gets coated perfectly. Next, take the boiled mutton chops and apply the marinade generously on each piece. Make sure every chop is coated from all sides, because this is what gives the meat its delicious flavor. Once all the chops are coated, let them rest for a few minutes. This allows the spices and yogurt to absorb into the meat, making it even more juicy and tasty. Meanwhile, place a tawa or frying pan on medium heat and add some oil. Let the oil heat up properly before adding the mutton chops. Now carefully place the marinated mutton chops onto the hot pan. Listen to that beautiful sizzle. Fry them on medium heat and turn them occasionally so they cook evenly from both sides. As they fry, you'll notice a beautiful golden color developing on the outside. The aroma is absolutely amazing. And the chops become slightly crispy while staying juicy on the inside. Keep frying until both sides are perfectly golden brown and cooked to perfection. And there you have it. Our spicy fried mutton chops are ready to serve. They look incredibly delicious and taste even better. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and follow MansoorHub for more tasty recipes and food videos. See you in the next one. Happy cooking and enjoy your meal. Get, we will.